Our institution, the Institution of Civil Engineers India, is a member of ACECC, Asian Civil Engineering Coordinating Council. And this organization is having more than 16 country members. So in every 3 years, we organize one big international conference that's known as Cecar, as I told you. And this time, this 9th event is going to held in Goa, India, from 21st to 23rd of September 2022, on the core theme of sustainable design and eco-technologies for infrastructure, with relevant sub-themes resolving around it. Cecar triggers is setting for engineers to show the seeds for future generation in the sector. Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, will be the chief guest on inaugural ceremony, besides presidential pearls from Sri Om Birla Ji, Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha.
We look at various sectors in civil engineering. It's water, transportation, geotechnical engineering. We even looked at overarching aspects such as diversity, how to bring more female into civil engineering, how to look at disaster management, how to look at the code of conduct in terms of ethics or anti-corruption. All these are overarching issues that we are looking at, and various societies among the 16 members are collaborating to advance these issues. And certainly the overarching issue is the sustainable development, which is very critical to all countries, but especially in Asia, because Asia is the fastest growing continent.
We are here, and when I say we, in particular the entourage of ACECC that's here today, there are more individuals involved than just the three that were mentioned and the four of us, is because infrastructure is such an important component of life that designing, building, maintaining infrastructure is becoming an ever-increasing, in fact, a society-defining activity, and doing it in a way that increases the inclusivity of the community, respects the social aspects of the community, while increasing the economic development and societal, positive societal impacts is something that we in our society and our profession are very focused on. So this conference is an excellent opportunity for us to share throughout the Asian region the advances that have been made, the goals that need to be achieved, and the opportunities that we all share in making this planet a much better place for all of us to live.
As President Truax referenced, we know that the issues facing the planet and communities involve engineering, and engineers are building civilization and making sure we harmonize that civilization with nature, and we are all in this together globally. And so it's so important that we have conferences like this where we are connecting civil engineers throughout the Asian region and indeed throughout the world because of the organizations that we represent. So we do that through conferences and continuing education programs and publications and sharing information of what are the best practices so that we can best preserve the public health, safety, and welfare. It's a great honor to be with you here. Again, thank you for your hospitality here in Goa, and we look forward to this conference over the next few days and working together to solve our world's problems and to make sure that we ensure a better future for future generations with a planet that's been entrusted to us.
Thank you. It is a pleasure and an honor to be here, and thank you to our hosts who have made this Olympics of the civil engineering world.
It's
conference.
exclusive assembly of civil engineering, kind of.
That's right. And so it's a great pleasure to be here and to be part of it and to assist in bringing together all these different member countries and communities together. So I think we'll have a wonderful, wonderful conference.
On behalf of the American Society of Civil Engineers and on behalf of the Region 10 Director and the outgoing Region 10 Director, I would like to extend for you a special invitation to come and visit the United Arab Emirates or any of our region. And we would like to roll the red carpet for you and exchange the ideas and thoughts that we have about developing our relationship together.